So here we are doing a tortilla making class, and we use the banana leaf as a template. And the first step is to put the banana leaf in the fire because it actually smooths it out. Here she is making the template. So then we put olive oil on the non-veiny side.
Nice consistency of the corn flour. We don't need this really soft or really hard. And we're gonna push, and with the other one, we're gonna go give the round shape. Okay, like this.
So next we put the tortillas on the pan. It's actually a little harder than it looks. My first one was a little bit flubbed and broke a little bit, but I got the hang of it and made it a little bit thicker the next time. And then when they're ready, they go on the banana leaf. And they say that if your tortilla bubbles while on the skillet, then you are ready to get married.